Hey, welcome back. Today is April 1st, Thursday, and on this post, I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets, which includes Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action, and see how they could potentially affect the overall altcoin markets. Before diving into BakerySwap token, BAKEBUSD, and see what has gone on in here, I'll be telling you about the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market, according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are enjoying this content, make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 2 free stocks as of today upon a successful sign-up and a qualifying deposit of $100 US. And I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market as it's extremely risky and volatile. If you have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I'll try my best to get to as many of them as possible. Now, see what exactly is going on in this market first. Most importantly, I do take a look into Bitcoin dominance. Tells me what the money could be trending into. Would it be Bitcoin, altcoins, or neither? Today, we have Bitcoin dominance down about 0.7%. This breaks down to Bitcoin price action down almost 0.3%. Total altcoin market cap up about 1.5%. Now, this is the upside of Bitcoin dominance trending downwards because total altcoin market cap is actually up. Okay. I usually emphasize Bitcoin dominance trend downwards. That's generally speaking better for the altcoins on both the upside and downside. Because conversely speaking, if Bitcoin dominance was trending upwards, the upside of that, I will usually see Bitcoin price action leading in gains ahead of total altcoin market cap. Now on the weekly time frame here is my shifted focus for Bitcoin dominance because we have made a new low as of last week's close. Now we are continuing to make a new low here and seems like we are negating that possible bullish divergence as I have seen since last week's close. But we still have about 3 more days left, so still something to be keeping an eye out on for bullish divergence. Now, if Bitcoin dominance continues down here, it's better for the altcoins as opposed to if it changes course and goes back upwards. The key support here will be the weekly 200 MA, the orange line, currently about 59%, slightly under. Let's point out on the monthly time frame as well, where we did close below that key support I was talking about just recently, which is the monthly 50 MA. Okay. Now let's take a look into Bitcoin. On the daily time frame here, the daily 21 MA, the blue line, is still the key support right now. If that does not hold, the next key support will be the daily 50 MA, the white line. The resistance here, the key resistance here I'm looking at would be about the 60K, followed by about 62K, slightly under from past trading history here. Okay. And right now it does seem like it's forming more of an inverse head and shoulders pattern as long as it does not break this daily 21 MA, it seems like. Okay. Let's take a look into the weekly time frame, where I do still think bearish divergence could still be playing out. I'm looking for a confirmation that on the price action chart, we get a higher high, along with a higher high on the RSI as well, comparing to the last RSI reading here of 75 for a safer signal that this bearish divergence has played out. Let's go on the monthly time frame. We have been having bearish divergence for quite some time, however, has still yet to yield a red candle. I won't count this one because the month has just started and still really early to say. Now, not something I'll lose track of, however, because when it actually does play out, it could still have a bearish effect on the altcoins when it pulls back. That bearish effect on the altcoins would be greater if Bitcoin dominance is trending higher. Let's go over to BakerySwap. Let's take a look from the monthly time frame down to the daily, which I consider to be macro time frames, and see if we have any overbought RSI readings or possible bearish divergence scenarios. Monthly time frame here, we don't have a reading, so let's move down. Neither do we on the weekly, so let's keep going. On the 3-day time frame here, we barely have a reading, and we're currently about 32. Okay, so we are near oversold territory. 30 would be oversold. Would be starting to begin to be oversold, that is. On the daily time frame here, we're currently about 40, so not in overbought territory at all. Let's take a look into what I could be dealing with here. On the 3-day time frame, it's more consolidated. I do see a falling wedge pattern with a one-off wick here. Okay. Now, falling wedge patterns, according to Thomas Bukowski and his website, thepatternSite.com, it has a 68% chance of it breaking to the upside. And it looks like it already has broken out of the pattern already. The measure target here, conservative measure target, because I am ignoring part of this price action above the pattern here. So the measure target here will be about $2.75, slightly under. Okay. Now, measure targets are theoretical approximate targets only, may actually be different in real life price action, more or less. Let's take a look into some of the key supports and resistances relevant to this price action right now. Key support, the daily 21 MA, which the price action is right at right now. If that does not hold, I'll be looking at about the $1.05 fit level area. Then the next one I'll be looking at from past trading history here. It seems like it would be about 97.5 cents price range. Okay, I can see quite a bit of bounces from before, so that could be support if this fib level area does not hold. If the 97 cents price range there does not hold, the next level of key support I could be looking at would be about the 85 cents price range down to about even 82 here from past trading history. I'm looking at these two candles from past trading bounces there. That could be possible support. Okay. And I don't see any more after that from past trading history. Now, key resistance, $1.45 fib level area. $1.75 fib level area. $2.05 fib level area. $2.40 fib level area. And then I'll be looking at this group of wicks right here. First of all, would be about $2.70, which is pretty in line with the measured targets. Next would be about $3. Those are going to be the key supports and resistances for this price action right now. Let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenarios. Bullish case scenario, price action continues with this breakout and go towards its measured targets, mining some of the resistance levels I have just pointed out. Bearish case scenario, price action breaks this daily 21 MA. That would be the immediate key support right now. Then the next level of key support I'll be looking at would be about the $1.05 fib level area and seeing if that holds before looking at about, I think what I said was about 97 cents in this range of wicks, where we saw bounces previously, about 97 cents range. And then 85 cents range to about 82. Okay. So those are going to be the next key levels of supports if supports continue to be broken. And I'll be looking at those previous trading history there for support and see if they will hold. Now, these are my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today. Let me know if you found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Let me know your agreements, disagreements, feedback. I'd love to hear them. Hope you manage your risk carefully, and if you'd like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. See you next time.